So we got this Fit2Eyes TV stand, and it has this Eiffel Tower design, really nice with the wood grain, as you can see. So this has a lot of great features. This will hold up to 175 pounds, so you never have to worry about it falling over or being unsturdy. And the way that it is made has this ergonomic stand so that it's going to be nice and load bearing. With this, it will hold 75 to 100 inch TVs. Comes with everything that you need to mount. These are the two brackets it comes with. It also does come with these brackets as well. And then it comes with all of the tools needed. And it does explain to you everything when you are mounting it as well. So you're going to mount your TV right onto these, and then you can put books, DVDs, CD, anything like that down below. And then in the back, as you can see, this is cables you can bring cables down and around, and it's going to go all the way under, as you can see, so you don't have to worry about cables being out in the open. It's nice that they're gonna just go through there, and it does come with this cord for cable management as well. So this is a great TV stand. It has that nice Eiffel Tower design, very load bearing. It has the nice feet at the bottom for the stand as well, and just really good ergonomic design. So if you're looking for a nice TV stand, I would recommend this one.